We'll need to start with a square base. Make sure the open side is pointed towards you so it looks like a diamond. There should be a top and bottom flap on each side. Using the bottom corner as a reference point, fold the top flaps towards the middle line. Make a hard crease and then unfold. And we'll need to repeat on the other side. I'm sure you've guessed by now that these creases are going to be used as guidelines. Now slide a finger into the top flap and lift up. You'll want to encourage the paper to reshape itself along the guidelines you just made and fold it flat. Now we'll turn this over and repeat. Your final product kind of looks like a diamond with a line down the center.
Attention adults.
Notice that the flaps at one end are split. And that's your traditional origami bird base.